Good day, all the pioneers across the globe. I am going to be very brief in this video, and the essence of this video is to show you how to migrate your Mainnet, how to do Mainnet migration, and how to transfer your coin to your available balance, which is very important. Coin to your available balance, you cannot spend it. So it is not enough for your coin to appear on your wallet, but until you transfer it to your available balance, you can be sure that it will just be there, and you will just be looking at it that you have that coin, but you won't be able to spend it. So in this video, I want to be showing you how to actually transfer your coin to your available balance and how to migrate. And before you get to the point of migration, you must have passed a lot of tests. If you come to this Mainnet, you come to this 3-drop here at the left hand side. When you click it, you come to Mainnet. You come to Mainnet, then you see, as you can see here, you see unverified balance. You can see transferable balance to Mainnet and migrated to Mainnet. Now this unverified balance, if you click it, you will see a certain amount of coin here which you cannot transfer now until all your downline, all the people you invited, pass their KYC. Also, if you check the second one, which is your transferable balance, this is the one that you can migrate right now. When you click migration here, it will take 14 days or less than 14 days before it appears on your wallet. And before you get to this stage, I believe you have passed your KYC. And in case you have not passed your KYC, my next video is going to be how you can actually get your KYC fast and how you can pass your KYC. How to get it. I know a lot of people, thousands of people up till now, they are still struggling to get KYC. Probably there are some things that they need to do that they've not done, which I'm going to be revealing in my next video. That is why it is very important that you subscribe to this channel and also share this video, because everything that you need to know about Pi, you can be sure that info then will bring it to your doorstep. So let's go straight to this point, to the video of today. All you need to do if you want to migrate your Mainnet is to come to this transferable Mainnet. I've already done mine. That is why it's appearing like this. Then you will see transfer balance to Mainnet. Something, this one, you will just click it. You click it here and it will be migrated to your wallet. And if you have done that, you will go to your Pi browser to go and check if what you have migrated, your coin, has actually appeared in your wallet. And don't forget that as soon as this coin appear in your wallet, it is very, very important for you to move it to your available balance, because if you don't move it to your available balance, you can only be seeing it there, but you cannot spend it. The other time I said a lot of people will nearly commit suicide once Pi is launched. And you can see now, even the people that you invited, that you have been pursuing up and down to mine, now you can be you see that you don't even have to remind them. They are the one mining on their own right now. So let's go to our list. You go to your wallet. When you click your wallet here, you will see your Mainnet balance and the available balance. The wallet, my wallet is opening right now. My wallet is loading. Okay, now you can see here where you see 96 Pi. That is the amount of coin that was migrated to your wallet. You need to migrate this 96 to your available balance. And as a matter of fact, if anybody is sending you pi now, it's not going to come here. It will appear in your available balance. You can see 2 pi here. This is the amount of pi that one of my guys sent to me, and directly is appearing on the available balance. The reason why I am here to migrate my own this 96 to the available balance now is because I lock up for 1 year. I lock up for 1 year. I lock up 100% for 1 year, because I want my everything to be mature before I start doing this. So if you want to, before I start spending my pipe, so if you want to migrate this 96 to your available balance, all you need to do is to come down here. You see history. You see, all you need to do is to come down here. You see history and migration. You click migration. When you click migration, you come down here. You will see 92.9999. This is the amount that can be migrated to my account balance. And here you will see lock till 2023-07-13. If you did not lock your own for 1 year, all you need to do is to click here where it is written that locked. It will show green here. Then you click it. Once you click it, immediately it will appear on your available balance. I hope this video has actually given you a required knowledge on how to migrate your balance from Mainnet to your available balance. If so, please don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel. Don't hesitate to share this video, because my next video is going to be on how to get your KYC fast. How to get your KYC fast, because I know thousands of people are yet to do their KYC. Probably there are some things that you need to do that you haven't done. So watch out. Until then, be good.